What's going on, guys? Today I'm going to be helping my buddy Nabil install some parts on his FR-S. I think we're going to do his coilovers and maybe his taillights, so I will see you when I get there. Alright, what's up, guys? Sorry I didn't film that much, but I'm here now and we finally got the fronts of the coilovers done. I think it got rid of the wheel gap pretty much, as you can tell. Look at all that in the back. And it eliminated all the wheel gap. And then the man himself, Nabil.
What's up, guys?
Alright, what's up, guys? We finally just finished it. How do you feel?
I feel great. The car looks really nice. Looks like
Alright, guys. Hell yeah. Alright, so now we're gonna go for a test drive real quick. Low as hell.
Okay, did you hear that? That was bad. Now I know I should go away. Okay, so we're good, we're good.
All the way to the side.
You know what's gonna suck when there's traffic behind me and I gotta go super slow? I gotta hold everyone up. Sucks for you guys. Wait, I'm turning radius.
About to hit a curve. Oh God, here we go again. What?
Ooh.
Too low. Gotta watch out for the kids. Alright, guys. it's nighttime now. We finally finished the FR-S doing the coilovers, and we also did the 4th brake light. We kind of messed it up a little bit. We don't know why the triangle doesn't work, but we're gonna figure that out in the next video. My battery's about to die. I just want to thank Nabil for allowing me to videotape this, and hope you guys have a good day. See you on the next video.